Pulakai nichitang bhopu kadata vanamagane bhavishyati. So this is the symptom to chant pure name. Nayanangaladashdhanaya. Always tear from this. So during chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you feel separation. Huh? Do you have that separation?
Not all time, sometimes.
Sometime. Okay, great. You are great. Aniruddha gate, huh? Plaka. Plaka. Huh? Who's tear? Who always feeling tired during chanting? Whose throat have been choked? During chanting, throat becoming choked. Means not able to pronounce properly. Jaga, like this. No. Who become feeling blissful, full of pleasure? Yeah. They are great devotee, Prabhu. They are great devotee. Purushottam, yeah. Huh? Okay. Prema dhana bina da ব্যর্থ দরিদ্র জীবন দাস করি বেতন মোরে দেও প্রেম ধন. What do you mean? Let me know. What do you mean? 2 lines. প্রেম ধন বিনা ব্যর্থ দরিদ্র জীবন দাস করি বেতন মোরে দেও প্রেম ধন. What do you mean?
Without love of God, my life is useless.
No. You have to explain. Not read.
I can read.
Bharta means life become useless. What? Why? If you have no pure love for Krishna. Prem dhon bina bharta. Bharta means useless and failure. Poor. Daridran poor. Prem dhon bina bharta daridra jivan. So what I want? What you want? Through chanting. Money. You want? What do you want? What do you want through chanting?
I want my heart to be free from all material desires.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, great. Listen, this is true what I say. All material, completely free from material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, distinction, desire. That is called real spiritual benefit. Spiritual benefit means not like a position, like sitting on the chair, this Singhasana, and become a leader. Guru is not spiritual success. Spiritual success is to become free from, completely free from material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, distinction, desire. And chant with the symptom, Nayanangaladashdhanaya. Tear from me. Full of happiness. Throat have been choked. Like Lord Chaitanya entering Jagannath Puri, first time after sannyas, then he was not able to pronounce Jagannath, Jaga Jaga Gaja Gaja Jaga Jaga Gaja Gaja, such type of. How to blush. That is our, therefore what we beg? দাস করি বেতন মোরে দেও প্রেম ধন। Please engage me to be your servant. And the beton means salary or remuneration or wages, whatever. If you're a physical labor, wages, a clerical job, salary. So anyway, so thus that whatever service, just give me premodhan, pure love for Krishna. Give me more and more and more loving connection with you. That is our nature. When we expect anything, material, Lord give us material. Therefore you can see Chaitanya Charitamrita explained, Krishna যদি ছুটে ভক্তি মুক্তি দিয়া, কভু ভক্তি না দেন রাখেন লুকাইয়া. If you want any material, if you want a material gain, Krishna give us easily. You want disciple, okay. Big temple, okay. Big temple, disciple, opulence, everything we will get. But Kabhu Bhakti Nadana Rakhen Lukaiya, never give us devotion and keep it hidden position. Devotion is hidden. You have to beg from the bottom of our heart. Beg. Like Rasheshwari begging every day. Begging devotion every day. Today she went to get treatment, give treatment to Vishnu Priya Devi. Right? Nice. So many blockage open, right? So anyway, so if you want anything, you can get it immediately, but not devotion. You have to beg from the bottom of our heart. Then Krishna will give us. Therefore, you can see previous fourth jam, which says, Nahi magi sharagwar, moksha nahi magi, na kori partho na kono, vibhutiro lagi. I don't want heavenly comfortable life. I don't want any heavenly comfortable life. Who is actually asking heavenly comfortable life? Expecting heavenly comfortable life? Karmi. Karmi always expecting comfortable life. Heavenly comfortable life. Name, fame. Nahi magi sargo. Sarg means heaven. And moksha, liberation. I don't want liberation. Any liberation I don't want. Na kori partho na kono vibhutiro lagi. I don't want any mystical power. No mystical power. I don't want to be cause of any harm to anyone. I don't want to cheat others. Because cheating, propensity. Our Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, first chapter, second slok, what he said? What? Nityananda. Dharma prahajita. What? Kaitama. Hypocrisy. Dharma, reject. Dharma, religiosity. What is the definition of dharma? Someone asking, what is the definition of dharma? What is that? Purushottam. Every day we're taking note, right? Every day taking note of the what? Dharma. Definition of dharma. Louder, louder. Huh? This is Saru. Yeah?
Dharma, specific.
Listen, I think in this period of time, explain 4-5 times definition of dharma. Dharma means actually, first of all, you have to think who we are, body or soul. Soul, the Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, he explained that he gave us the definition of dharma. What is the natural, eternal function of our soul? That is called dharma. Natural. No need to learn from any other. Natural. What we naturally what we want. Distressful or blissful. Temporary, eternally. Eternally. So, dharma means what is your natural, eternal function of our soul. Whatever you want. So, eternally blissful. Who is embodiment of dharma? Krishna. Krishna means all attractive and eternally blissful. Simple theory. Srila Prabhupada gave us. Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. There is many other way explain the definition of dharma, meaning of the dharma. The water dharma is liquid. But when water in certain temperature become ice, become hard. When water certain temperature become vapor, that is hot, cold, hot. Therefore, this is not real dharma, the naimittic dharma means some reason taking place, therefore water actuality change. Am I clear? So naimittic, we are, our actual dharma to become eternally blissful. Eternally blissful, but we become distressful. Why? Because instead of running towards Krishna, we are running towards Maya, illusion. I already explained this so many times. This is Paramatma. This is Jivatma. Paramatma watching this Jivatma, but Jivatma watching Maya. Our practice to turn our face towards Paramatma. What? What? Great. Bahirmukh. I don't know the word, but he is good. Bahirmukta ne, Bahirmukh. Krishna Bahirmukh hoiya bhagovancha kare. Nikatastha maya tare japtiya dhare. This is explained. As soon as we we'll just turn our face towards Maya, Maya Devi embrace. Krishna Bahirmukh. Krishna's not this. Maya Devi was good, everything fine. Everything fine. Suffering also fine. I can give an example, I was in New York City. One devotee. He has 3 children. 3 children are really, in New York, teenage, what do you expect? Soft? Never. Teenage, very aggressive, and then New York City means challenge. I told him, Prabhu, what do you feel about your life, present life? He said, feeling good. What do you feel? Good means? Yeah, family life is art. Family life is one art. We have to be in the art and enjoy family life. Really enjoy. Yeah, he's giving me that. Really enjoying. So, yes, I am enjoying. Most of the time, facing trouble, but I'm overcoming this. But what do you want? Then he says, obviously I want to be happy. This is called Krishna Bahirmu. Whatever going on, he says, oh, everything fine. Like if you drink, if you are drunk means wine, drunk, not able to walk properly, fall in the near open drain, black water drain. So many fly come to your mouth, nose, eyes. If you ask them, are you suffering? Huh? No, I'm okay. Are they okay? They're not okay. The hallucination. That's okay. But you can feel he is suffering. That person is suffering. So therefore, Krishna Bahirmukhaya Bhagavancha Karya. As soon as we have tendency to get name, fame, material appreciation, recognition, it's a Bhagavancha for enjoyment, material enjoyment. So Krishna Bahirmu. How much we have greediness to enjoy this material world, material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, that much we are far from Krishna. Or face turning towards Maya. How much you turn it? I don't want. Who says so? Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Nahi magi saravar, moksha nahi magi, na kari partho na kono, vibhuti lag. Vibhuti means mystical power. Hypnotized. Boom. Arati always running behind me. Arati is very rich lady, hypnotizing. Purpose to take her money and use for my purpose. Enjoy. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is turning Jiva's face towards Krishna, not the Maya. Srila Prabhupada clearly explained, জীবের বিপরীত রুচিকে পরিবর্তন করাই আমাদের কর্তব্য. This is our duty to switch their taste or reverse their taste. Their taste to enjoy Maya, the reverse to enjoy the spiritual practice. This is the Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta explained. Therefore, Premandhana Vina Bharta Darita. I have to finish here. Aparadho phale momo chitta bhelo vajra samo. Aparadho phale momo chitta bhelo vajra samo. तुआ नामे नाला भेबी कारो হতাশ হইয়া হরি তব নাম উচ্চ করি বড় দুঃখে ডাকি বারো ভারো Look, hatash. Hatash means hopeless. Why? Aparad. Offense. Offense not allowing us to get any taste of chanting. Taste of spiritual practice. Chitta holo borjra samo. Thunderbolt. Strong rock. Rock. Heart like a rock. Once my spiritual master explained, my heart like such a rock. Even if you put green fiery chili in my eyes, tear not coming. Such a rock. Who says so? My spiritual master. Who is he? Who is he? I don't know that. When he joined, he born. Where he born? He born in Brahmin family, very high class Brahmin family. Not only that, who maintains celibacy whole life, who has blessings from Bhaktivinoda Thakur, his godfather Bhakti Ratna Thakur, Bhakti Thakur godfather Bhakti Ratna Thakur. Also, he met with his Gurudev when 1915, on the day of Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj's physical departure. By his own eyes, he visit Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj's transcendental visible body. Transcendental visible body. He saw. And then finally he joined to his movement, Srila Prabhupada's Bhaktisiddhanta Mission, 1921, met with 1915. No married. Full of celibacy. And also scholar in Vaishnava tradition, he is scholar. He was scholar because he was editor. And then he is living in the temple, chanting attentively. But at the end, he was saying, when he was 95-year-old, he says, my heart like a rock. Even a hot chili put in my eyes, it never come, tear come, never come. But whenever he chanted Radha, his face became reddish, full of tear. Radha such Prema Rupa means loving embodiment form. Such a man. I have seen of the Bhakti Raka Sridharadev Goswami Maharaj. Radha in his heart, his hand like this. Red, face red. And now we are chanting Radha, 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 Radha. No fear, no feeling. No feeling we have. But they realized who is Radha. Full of tears in the name of Radha. But he is telling out of humility to all of us that his heart is like a rock. So aparadha phala, whenever we are offensive, then we don't have any compassion for anyone. Always become selfish. I want my position. When Vaishnava community we see, they are fighting with selfish manner, always looking their own material position and fighting for the material position. Then you can see they have less compassion. Why less compassion? Vaishnavas, actuality is this, they have compassion for all living beings. Kindness for all living beings. What is kindness? Someone suffering, I am enjoying. How is it possible? No. Therefore, real Vaishnava never criticize, never blaspheming to anyone. Real Vaishnava always become humble. Always become humble. Aparadha phale mama chitta vela vajra sama. Chitta means mind, heart, consciousness, like a thunderbolt, a rock. Tua name lalave vikar. We have no any feeling of connection while you are chanting. But chanting will give us connection. No connection. Then hatasha hiya Hari. I become hopeless, O Lord Hari. Tabo nama uccha kari. I am chanting loudly. Bado dukhe daki baro baro. Pang of separation, full of distress. I am calling you again and again and again. Please bestow your mercy. Dina dayamoy karuna nidano. Bhava bindu dei rakho parano. Kabe tabo namo ucharane moro. Kabe tabo namo ucharane moro. নয়নে ঝরব দর দর লোহ গদ গদ স্বর কণ্ঠে উপজব মুখে বলো আধো আধো বৈরব ফুলকে ভরব শরীর আমার শীত কম্প স্তম্ভ হবে বার ভার বিবরণ শরীর হরয়ব জ্ঞান নাম সমস্যয় ধরবু পরাণ মিলাব আমার কি হইছে দিন রয় ভকতি বিনোদ মতিহীন হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sayang Lila Suchana, Sayang Radhang Shasakka, Nija Ramana Krite, Prasitane Ko Bhajyang, Saksha Nitesha Seshasana Muditaridang, Tangcha Bhrajendram, Sushnatang Ramabeshang, Griyamanu Janani Lalitang, Prapta Goshtang, Nibbura Sahasali Doham, Sagrihamano, Punarabhuktavantang Smarami, Shri Radhika Sayankale, Krishna lagi pathaile. Radhika Sayankale, Krishna lagi pathaile. Sokhi haste bibidho misthana, Krishna Bhukta Sheshani, Shakhi Dila Shukhomani. Krishna Bhukta Sheshani, Shakhi Dila Shukhomani. Bhaiya Radha Hoilo Prasanna, Nataramma Beshadhoni, Yashoda Lalitoni. Nataramma Beshadhoni, Yashoda Lalitoni. Shakha Shaha Godohono Kare, Nana Vidha Pakana Paya Hoilo Porosanno. Nana Vidha Pakana Paya Hoilo Porosanno. Moriyami Paramohadare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
So, look how Radharani engaged to serve Krishna. No one telling her, hey, cook for Krishna. No one telling Ganga. No one telling her, prepare some fruits. Spontaneous loving attachment to serve. Where is Ganga? Ganga is there? Every day she is doing that. Like Rasheshwari. No one telling her to do seva. She is doing from the bottom of her heart, doing seva. That service attitude you have to cultivate. Radha. Radha means what? Radha means santosh, satisfaction. Radha, this word means, Radha means satisfaction. Krishna become satisfied by whose service? Most satisfied. Precious manners, who is rendering service to Krishna, is Radha, satisfaction. Radha. Krishna becomes satisfied by whose service? Absolutely satisfied. Therefore, his name is Radha. Also, there is explanation. Ra Shabdacharanat Smita Bhavati Madhava. Ra, this word, such a way Radharani served to Krishna. So, anyone chant Ra, then Krishna becomes Spita Madhava, Pita Bhavati Madhava. Spita means become happy. Madhava means Krishna happy. Dha, Krishna, but Madhava, rushing towards that person who is chanting Ra. Radha. Radha went to, first early morning he went to Nanda Maharaj palace to cook for Krishna. Then returned from Nandagaon to Jawat. Then again, in the name of worshipping sun god, she got permission from her mother-in-law to go out and met with Krishna in Radha Kund. Playing with Krishna, other Sakhis. Then again returned to home. First he was thinking, Virochila. First Virochila means he's thinking what to prepare Lord for Krishna. How Krishna will be happy, how Krishna going back to Nandagaon, what will be the reaction, activities of Jashoda, Mother Jashoda, is the thinking. Now this first time, Pathaila. She prepared, then she sent all the foodstuffs. What she prepared? Pathaila. What prepared? Prepared Amrita Kali, Karpur Kali, all sweet stuff. Pathaila. How? Because she have to maintain the norm of this family. So she cannot go. So she sent her associates. What she said? Sweet stuff, sweet preparation, whatever she prepared for Krishna. Then Sakhi feed Krishna. Sakhi brought the Krishna honor it. And leftover, whatever leftover, the remnants, Sakhi brought back to Radha. Radha took Krishna's remnant and become Hishta Chitta, means completely blissful. Nowadays, is there any service attitude? No need to say anything, just jump. This is my seva, this is my seva, this is my seva. I don't like to give him any seva to anyone. I want to render all seva, right? Such mood. You know, my spiritual master used to say, all seva, whatever surrounding, this is my seva. If someone doing, you have to feel indebted for that person. He did my seva, and that person doing, feel indebted for that. But you have no appreciation. Always independence. What I am doing, best. Best. What is best? When our activity please Krishna, that is best. That is the best. Krishna become happy to serve his devotee, Vaishnava. That is the best. Why? Because devotee will bestow his mercy to us. Devotee's mercy, Vaishnava's mercy, will allow us to chant without offense. Without offense, if we chant, then we can get prem, whatever we are searching for. Prem, pure love for Krishna. That is our main goal of spiritual practice. Just the Gajendra, he pray, Artho. Artho means free from the bottom of our heart. 4 ways we can pray, we are praying to. Artho, Jiggashu, Artharti, Jnana. Gajendra's prayer, Artho. Oh Lord, but they are suffering. When we are suffering, you also pray, but for the time being. Then again forget. In order to protect our attachment towards Lord's services, we need Lord Nrsimhadeva's protection, we need mercy. You can see Lord Chaitanya. Who is Lord Chaitanya? Sundar Gopal. He is Krishna, with the mood and form of Radharani. And when you are chanting, Jaya Jaya Ujjala Rasa Sarva Rasa Sahara Parokia na. And we are telling Parokia na, Pakara na. Parokia bhave jaha drujete procharo. Parokia bhav. Krishna, Vrindavan with gopis, Parokia bhav. Sakya Parokia, not Parokia. Sakya means when Maheshi, there is Rukmini, all these Jambavati, all the Satyabhama, all they are Sakya. But Lord Chaitanya is teaching us Parokia. Parokia bhave jaha brajete procha. The Parokia bhav, such Krishna himself, but acting like a devotee of Krishna. When you go, then you can see Lord Chaitanya when he entered to Jagannath temple. Because you You are white skin, you are not eligible, right? You are not eligible. Huh?
We can't go see Lord Chaitanya there.
Lord Chaitanya went there. How? First to a 22 staircase, Bahish Payak. Then you can see there is a Nishinga. Lord Chaitanya, he is Krishna himself with the mood of Radharani. Sometimes that we are thinking, if Radha Krishna there, why we need Nishinga there? Yeah, we need Nishinga there. We need Nishinga there. Because our devotion is not strong enough. Our devotion is unstable. Sometimes so much inspiration, sometimes no inspiration. True or not? True or not? So in order to protect our devotion, continuing our devotion in same motion, we need to get protection from it. This is teachings of Lord Krishna Chaitanya by his action. When he entered to Jagannath, before a Jagannath, there is Nishingadeva's picture. This is Bhagisha Yasya Vadanara Lakshmir Yasya Cha Bhakshashi Yasyaste Hridaye Shambhi Tang Nishingha Mahang Bhaji. Bhagisha Yasya Vadana Yasya Vadana Lakshmir Yasya Cha Bhakshashi. Chest who has Lakshmi Devi. Not like a Ugra Nishinga. Thinking that Dangstraya Dhimahi. No. Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he is teaching us Lakshmi Nishinga. Lakshmi Nishinga. Why? Because householder need Lakshmi Nishinga. Bhagisha, Lord Chaitanya teaching us. Bhagisha Yasya Vadanara Lakshmir Yasya Cha Bhakshasi Yasyaste Hridaya Shambit Tang Nishinga Mahang Bhaje. Ita Nishinga Parato Nishinga Jata Jata Jami Tato Nishinga Bahiri Nishinga Hridaya Nishinga Nishinga Madhing Saranang Prapaddi. Again, if you just go near Gundicha temple, there is a Nishingadev temple. Lord Chaitanya used to dance in front of the Nishingadev. Why? He himself with the mood of Radharani. Mood and form of Radha, but Krishna, Nishingadev. We need it too. Our devotion not strong enough. Always is up and down. Like waves. Waves always up and down, up and down, up and down, then coming to the sea beach. And all the waves near sea beach. In the middle of ocean, no waves. We are whenever we feel trouble, spiritual challenge, we are in the near sea beach. We have to go deep, middle of the ocean. How? We have to overcome the waves. How we can overcome the waves? This Nishingadev's protection. Lots of problems may take place, like so many things are going to happen. Sometimes mind goes angry towards Vaishnavas. Right? Malini Devi, is this good? It's true or not, Malini Devi? True? Anyway, she doesn't understand. Anyway, look. So this is the situation. We have to always think about Radha's dedication, how much she was dedicated. My spiritual master used to say, her hand never dry, always wait. One after another, one after another. She is always preparing something for Krishna. Morning, prepare breakfast. Lunch, the dinner, the cook sending. And so there's such a feeling separation from Krishna. The Narottam Das Thakur wrote this very nicely. When Krishna going for cow hunting, Radharani thinking, standing in front of the door and imagining some feeling like this. He dehe nagara bara sunahi muruli dharo nibedan kori tu apai arpita. When you reach? When you reach? Last night here?
Yes.
Oh, Portugal, huh? Yeah, come here. He dehe nagara bara. Lord of the town. Who is this? Shunai he Muruli Dhara. Muralidhar, who is holding flute? Who? Krishna. Huh? So Radharani is expressing like this. He dehe nagara bara shunai he muruli dhara nivedan kori tu apai. Kyo re? Abhi to kada bana ki hobe? Ha? কোথায়? জানি শোনয় হে মুরলি ধরো. Listen, my worshipful Muralidhar, Krishna. Nivedana kori tu apai. My humble prayer to your lotus feet. Jana charana nakharamani. If I become a diamond on your toes nail, charana nakharamani. Charan means feet, nak means nail, mani means diamond. Jana charana nakharamani. যেন চাঁদের গাঁথনি ভালো শোভে আমারও গলায়. Now I am in the condition, this mother-in-law, sister-in-law, everybody giving me obstacles. I'm not able to come to you. But if I become a diamond or a toad's nail, I can keep on my neck and remember you and get your association. Such type of emotional expression. Jana charana nakharamani jano chaঁদের গাঁথনি ভালো শোভে আমারও গলায়. গলা নেক. সুদাম সঙ্গে সুদাম দাম্ব সুদাম যখন মনে যাও রঙ্গে ধৈর্য going for cow hunting, তখন আমি দুয়ারে দাঁড়া. That time I am standing in front of the door. মনে করি সঙ্গে যাই. In mind I am thinking to go with you. গুরুজনার ভয় পায়. But I am fearful for my guardian, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. Akhi raye tu apane chaye. Akhi means eyes, goes how as much as possible to see you. Yes, citizen. Do you have such feeling separation? হায় মোর মনের শান এ বামন হয়ে চাঁদে হান oh what type of desire oh mind it is not possible it looks like one dwarf trying to touch moon বামন হয়ে চাঁদে হান even says অগুরু চন্দন হইতাম তুয়া অঙ্গে মাখা রইতাম ভালো শোভে না অগুরু চন্দন হইতাম তুয়া অঙ্গে মাখা রইতাম ঘামিয়া পড়িতাম রাঙা পায় if I become a sandalwood paste then I can smear on your body whenever you covered in a sweating form I am coming to touch your feet such emotional expression Radharani lamenting in this way. Then guardian says, hey, don't cry for this black boy. But separation, always tear, right? Always feeling tear, like Arati's. Last 2 days, he is always tear. Because Krishnamai, right? True or not? But now he is crying. Krishnamai. So crying, tear coming, what to do? Then, Dhumara chalana kari kandi means firewood, dry firewood, intentionally soaked in the water. And cooking for Krishna, cooking with the waiting firewood. And then smoke. When they say, hey, you have tear for Krishna? No, not Krishna. It is smoke. Smoke is called dhua. Dhuara chalana kari kandi. Such a nice, such separation. Do you have? I don't have. I never feel such that. But all of you have, right? Ranganis have? Suvangadevs have? I have seen Vishnu Priya Devi, who is sitting hidden away. She is crying every day, whole night crying. Eyes become red, swelling so much. Chanti, Haribol. The Dhumara chalana kari kandi. Do you think about that? How much strong separation. The strong relation, then strong separation. No relation, no separation. No separation, no devotion. Just fake. Fake. Why fake? Devotion means loving connection. No love. There is duty. You are rendering service as a duty. You are rendering service out of fear from upcoming fear of death. And then some expectation. If I do that, do this, I can get this. Expectation. So no expectation. Devotion never expect anything. Devotion only expect to satisfy object of our service. Object of our love. That is called devotion. Therefore, this Radharani is such type of service attitude. Why we should read? Not like a Radharani's Krishna's pastime, we read, then we can get devotion, not. Radha's service attitude, to follow. If we follow, then we can get Radha's mercy. Lalita, Vishaka, Chitra, Champaglata, Rangodevi, Shudevi, Tunga, or Radha Pakshi Ashoki. Or Radha Pakshi Ashoki. Vishaka quality and Radha's quality are same. Saudamani Nichaya Charu Ruchi Pratikang Taravali Lalitang Kanti Monogochelam Radhika Tava Priya Charitra Guna Anurupam. This is the line most important. Radhe Tava Charitra Guna Anurupam. Your charitra, your character. Sadgandha Chandana Ratang Ke? Sadgandha Chandana Ratang Vishakam. So Vishaka's the charitra, Radharani. All we have to we have our. If you are target to follow the footsteps of Radha's, then you have to reflect Radha's characters to reflect with us. No any excuse to serve Krishna. No excuse. Night time, okay, ready. Anytime, ready. If you are not able to do so, then you have to know something is wrong. Still, we have to practice. Regarding Lalita also, Radhe Tava Priyo Shakhincha Gurum Shakhinam, this explanation. Lalita is the Sakhi for all. Radhika, actually, Hey Radhe Tava Priyo Shakhi, they are dearest Sakhi is Lalita, Radha, and is Guru for all Sakhis. All those connection, you have to look. Then we can see. Then if you just feel about this, where we are now. Chanting, but no feeling. Rather, we feel to finish the round, mumbling. It will not work out. If you chant, there is benefit, but only material benefit, not spiritual benefit. You will get piety without surrender, no dedication, just simply chanting. Like I can give you an example. Like this house. According to the Indian dealing, if you want to buy, what you do? You bring one patwadi, means someone should measure the land, building, right? Deed writer will do. He buys the stamp duties, witness, lawyer, everybody sign on that, but not signed by the landlord. Deed prepared, looks like real deed, but not signed by landlord. Is it possible for you to buy the land? So surrender to bona fide spiritual teacher. Surrender to bona fide spiritual teacher is called owner of this property, means this devotional property. Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If you are not surrendering, you buy chanting bead from shop, neck bead, keeping ponytail, keeping tilak, everything first class. Looks like devotee, but you are not accepting, you are not surrendering. So it's like a fake deed. Surrender means whatever our previous teacher teachings taught us that you have to practice. Surrender means like that. Previous teachers, Guru not individual. Guru means Tattva. The previous teachers, plural. Whatever they give instruction, the best ability to follow their footsteps. Then you can say surrender. If you think, oh, I took initiation from you, I tell you, hey, Rasheshwari, go and burn the house. I am not Guru. Useless. Previous teacher never says something like that. Because I am selfish person. Why not selfish person? I will send you to do this, do that, as be my slave. Instead of slave of our Guru Parampara, try to be my slave. What Guru Parampara says doesn't matter. What I am telling, that follow. That means I am fake Guru. We can pretend like a Guru, but we cannot be Guru until or unless we are surrendered to our previous teachers. Am I clear? So, dead devotion. But Harinam always giving some benefit. If not spiritual benefit, giving material benefit. Piety, punya. Harinam cleanse all our bad karma's consequence. And then you can get piety. And you can have comfortable life. Comfortable life. Material comfortable life. Most of us feeling that is our Krishna's mercy. That is our Guru Parampara mercy. That is our Gurudeva's mercy. No. Mercy of Gurudev, we can say, when we are feeling the separation, flickering manner, Krishna came and again disappeared. Billamangal, he felt a lot of problem, his eyes. Eyes always goes where? Beautiful woman. Always goes there. Then he decided, I have to do something. What he said? He went to a beautiful woman sitting there asking, could you please give me your hairpin? 2 hairpins. Since as soon as he gave, he put in his eyes and blind. Then who took him to Vrindavan? Who took him? Krishna, in the form of cowherd boys. Sometimes Krishna left his hand and laughing. The Lord Billamangal says, Krishna, You can lift me, but you cannot lift my heart. You can lift my hand, but you cannot lift my hand, my heart. Very nice expression. Why he says so? Because pure devotee, pure heart, Krishna is resting always in that heart. Narottam Thakur says, Tomaro hridaya sada Govinda Vishram. In your heart, Govinda is resting eternally. Whereas pure devotees, that place we consider like a Vrindavan, because pure devotee heart, Krishna is there. Where is Krishna? That is Vrindavan. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote very nice song, Tirtha phal sadhu sanga, sadhu sange antaranga, kila bhatiya durodesh. যে তীর্থে বৈষ্ণব নাই সে তীর্থে নাহি যায়, in that way like that. This nice place like amusement place like Darjeeling, Kalimpong. That's one person giving opportunity to Sundar Gopal. The two tickets is there. What ticket to choose? One is Vrindavan, one is Darjeeling. What you will choose? This is a question for you and all. Haribol, Sundar Gopal, what do you do? Raseshwari. Which place is amusement place or Vrindavan? Rasa Vilasini. Bhanumati, which place you choose? You don't know? Hush. Huh? If you are devotionally inclined, always choose Vrindavan. Darjeeling, what is that? Useless. Right? Useless. Completely useless. Because there is no Chatha, Jatirthe Vaishnavanai, Shatirthe Naya means what? This is written by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. But you know Vaishnava, I don't want to go there. Kila bhatiya durodesh. What is the benefit to walk long way? That we have to always think about it. So, Radharani's attitude, service attitude, most precious manner. Therefore, Krishna says, Krishna always rushing towards that person who is chanting Ra, not Radha complete, Ra. Ra Shabdacharanat Spito Bhavoti Madhava. Madhava become happy. Dha rushing towards that person. Oh, Krishna, Madhava. Brahma Bhaita Puran explanation. Mama Nama Saptanaiva Radha Nama Sakit Samam. 100 times my name Krishna, 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 Krishna. If anyone chant once, Radha, equivalent. So what will do? Leave Krishna's name and chanting Radha, Radha, Radha. What will do? In the medicine, pharmacy, lot of medication there. So you have disease, what will do? What will go? To pick all the medicine and eat? It will work out? You have to go to a doctor. What prescription he gave? Accordingly buy the medication. So our doctor is Krishna himself. Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya. And what he gave prescription? Prescription is Hare Nam. Harer Nama, Harer Namai Bhakti Balam, Kalau Nashteva 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 Gatirannata. This is prescription. Harinam, Harinam, Harinam. In this Kali Yuga. Therefore we are chanting Harinam. Although we know all the information, but we are not focusing that much. Our goal is there, but doctors say go through this way. This way means Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Under the guidance of Parampara, then it can work. Otherwise, chanting beads available, Radha Kund, all the shops buy that. Kurta, dhoti available, wearing this. Barber available, keeping shaving and keeping ponytail. No problem. Looks like devotee. But no surrender. No devotion. Dead devotion. Dead. So, think about this. Radharani dedication, Radharani separation, Radharani's lamentation. Dina Dayadra Natha, He Mathura Natha, Kadavulakashe. Hridayam Tadloko Katanam. Hridayam Tadloko. Pang of separation in my heart. Hey Doito, oh my dear. Brahmati, I become crazy. Kim Karam Maham, what I'll do for you? Without you, what I'll do? No service. Am I clear? So Radharani's lamentation. This slow, Chaitanya Krishna Das Prabhu explained. Ei shlo kahi achen Radha Thakurani, jar ke paas puri ache Madhavendra Bani, Kiva Gaura Chandra iha kare ashadan, ya shadityar nahi chauthajan. Radharani chanted. After Radharani, Madhavendra Puripad. After Madhavendra Puripad, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is no fourth person exists. We may pretend I am a great devotee, but I am not a great devotee. Means where is no bird, cockroach, we consider that no bird, they say cockroach is bird. Cockroach flying, but this is a bird. We consider cockroach is bird. So there is no devotee, pure devotee, that he is pure devotee. Pure devotee symptom where? Therefore we should think about that, what I will do. You have to always, connect with the engine. Then compartment of the train is valuable. No connection with the engine, the compartment, very luxury compartment, no value. Will you sit there whole day in one place? An engine connected, then you go that direction. The engine is actually Krishna and his pure devotees. We become connected with them, then we are compartment. We are going ahead, going with them. Am I clear what I say? Am I clear? So therefore we need to be connected with previous teachers. We need to be connected with previous teachers, plural. not singular. Sometimes we may sing, we say exclusive, exclusive. Exclusive, this word applicable only for Krishna and Radharani, nothing, no one. We may say, my Guru is exclusive. It's not possible. Anyway, you have to go. Saptam jam sadhan. Pradoskalin bhajan, premar vipralambha. Jagaitanga nimeshana chakshusha pravishayitam. Shannaitanga jagat sarvang govinda virahinami. Udbegya divasa naja khana hila jugashama. Varshar megha prayo subarse dunayana. Govinda virahe shunna hila tribhuvan. তুষানলে পড়ে যেন না যায় জীবন গাইতে গাইতে নাম কি দশা হইল কৃষ্ণ নিত্য দাস মুই হৃদয়ে স্ফুরিল জানিলাম মায়া পাশে এ জড় জগতে গোবিন্দ বিরহে দুঃখ পায় না নাম পে আর যে সংসার মোর নাহি লাগে ভালো कहाँ जाए कृष्ण हरि ये चिंता विशालो কাঁদিতে কাঁদিতে মোর আখি বরিশায় বর্ষাধারা হেন চক্ষে হইল উদয় নিমেষ হইল মোর শত যুগ সম গোবিন্দ বিরহ আর সহিতে অক্ষম শূন্য ধরাতল চৌদিকে দেখিয়ে পরাণ উদাস হয় কি করি স্থির নাহি হয় জীবন নাহি করয় ব্রজবাসীগণ মোর প্রাণ রাখ দেখাও শিরাধনাতে ভকতি বিনোদ মিনতি মনিয়া লহে তাহার সাথে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বিরহ সহিতে না পারি পরাণ ছাড়িতে আর দিন দুই ছাড়ি গাইতে গোবিন্দ নাম উপজিল ভবগ্রাম দেখিলাম যমুনার কোলে বৃষভানু সুতা সঙ্গে শ্যামনট বড় রঙ্গে বাঁশরি বাজায় নিপ মূলে দেখিয়াছি গলধন অস্থির হইল মন জ্ঞান হারা হইল তখন কতক্ষণে নাই জানি জ্ঞান লাভ হইল মানি আর নাই ভেল দর্শন সখী গো কি মতে ধরিব পরাণ নিমেষ হইল যুগের সমান হেমতে ধরিব পরাণ শ্রাবণের ধারা আখি বরিশায় শূন্য ভেল ধরা তল গোবিন্দ বিরহে প্রাণ নাহি রহে কেমনে বাঁচিব বল ভকতি বিনোদ অস্থির হইয়া পুনঃ নমস্কার করি ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয়া দর্শন প্রাণ রাখে নহি মরি হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे नेताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नेताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल प्रदस लीला सूचना राधांसालिगनंतम सिताशीत निशा जग्गभीषं प्रदोषे दत्ता वृंदापदेश भीदिश दत्ता वृंदापदेश दविश्रित जमुनातीर कल्पगकुंजम कृष्णांगपैशभयं भीत गुणिकला लोकानं स्निग्धमात्रा यत्नदानीय संसायितमोथो निभृतं प्राप्तकुञ्जं स्मरामि राधा वृन्दावोपदेशे जमुनापकुलदेशे सांकेतिक कुंजे अभिसारे सीता श्वेत निशा जग धरिवेश कृष्ण भोग सखी संगे सनंदन्तरी गोप सभा माझे हरि नाना गुण कलाहेरी मातृযত্নে করিল শয়ন রাধা সঙ্গ সঙ্গরিয়া নিভৃতে বাহিরইয়া प्राप्त कुंज करिया स्मरण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरंगम देवरिका गिरधारी जू की जय पंचतत्वात्मक्ष गौर हरि की जय श्री गुरुपाद पद्म नित्यला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तरशत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति प्रमद पुरी गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय सपार्थ सपरिकर नित्यला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्त सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय नित्यला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद परमहंस कुल चूड़ामणि ठाकुर शिल गौर शरद बाबाजी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय नित्यला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद सच्चिदानंद शील भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय नित्यला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री शिल जगन्नाथ दास बाबाजी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय जय श्री रूपान गुरु भर्गो की जय भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय चारी धाम की जय चारी संप्रदाय की जय चारी संप्रदाय आचार्य बिंद की जय भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की जय भक्ति विघ्न विनाशन भक्त विघ्न विनाशन सर्व विघ्न विनाशन कारी नृसिंह देव की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय चतुर्मास व्रतों की जय कार्तिक व्रतों की जय ऊर्जा व्रतों की जय दामोदर व्रतों की जय उत्पलनकारी भक्त वृंदों की जय समागत भक्त वृंद की जय नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय भुवन मंगल हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि बोल।